Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Chippewa Hotel here at Mackinac Island, Michigan. Right here we got a modded Otis. Look how tiny this thing is. This actually used to be a black button Otis, but unfortunately it's been modded by Otis. Let's go to 4. Oh, sorry.
This is 4th floor. Is this what you wanted?
Yeah, I'm going down to the lobby.
Oh, okay.
Close the door. I would never stop it. Sorry. Just loud chimes. Anyway, here at the lobby. Let me get off here. Dude. It's a pretty small elevator. It used to be an Otis black button, Lexan. Sadly got modded. And there it goes. I guess that is going to be it for me.